Growing your team? Adding members to FreshBooks lets them track time, log expenses, or help with invoicing, while you control their access level. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. As the account owner, go to Settings, Team. Click Invite a new user. Enter their email address and select their role, staff, contractor, or business partner. Each role has different permissions. For example, a staff member can track time and expenses but can't see profit reports. You get to decide exactly what they can access. My crucial pro tip? Start with the most restrictive role. It's easier to grant more access later than to undo a mistake. Invite new team members as staff first. Once they're on board and you see what they need, you can upgrade their role if necessary. Scale your business operations securely and collaboratively. What's the first task you delegate to a new team member in your books? For more guides on team management, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.